Hi, I'm Ashley, one of the co-founders of Momentum. I'm here to tell you a little bit about what we do. So this is the problem we're going after. Your team is on sales calls and customer calls all day long, back to back, and we expect humans to be the data source after those calls. So reps might capture about 1% of what a buyer says. An 8,000 word call turns into a 25-word CRM note, or it might turn into fields in Salesforce, but so much information is being left behind. C-suite flies blind because of this. The sales leaders are guessing on forecasting, risk calls. RevOps is frustrated because they don't have the data that they need to do their reporting. And none of the customer insights make it to the teams that are building product or launching these products. So we think that there's a real go-to-market execution crisis happening because of this workflow. Efficiency gaps abound. 70% of CS and sales time is spent on non-revenue tasks. The data remains siloed and inaccessible. Only 10% of structured CRM data makes it there. And then the insight and the analysis loss is really huge when you're depending on human data entry or meeting capture. The data just isn't structured and there's no system to real-time insight access. So the current state is you buy a conversation intelligence tool to record your calls and summarize. You might add on a workflow automation tool. And then some companies, of course, are still in kind of manual process mode where reps just take notes and we hope that they do the work to translate that into the CRM. Of course, where this falls short is that legacy tools don't structure the data, they don't trigger the action. DIY kind of workflow automation tools, usually one or two people in the organization are the masterminds behind that. And so it's expensive, it's fragile. If that person leaves, nobody knows how to pick that up. And then, of course, with manual processes, it's not consistent and you don't have cross-functional visibility. So we think that there needs to be a new go-to-market infrastructure that structures and cleans the data from your conversations and your interactions, your emails, your calls, your support tickets. That then needs to push to the right people at the right time using your systems of record. You could think of pushing notifications into a Slack channel or pushing to a data lake for you to then do insights on top of, pushing to Salesforce or email notifications. And then finally, you need to have an orchestration platform that uses AI agents and automation to take action. So that's Momentum, your revenue orchestration platform that plugs into your conversational data sources, feeds it into Momentum with all of the context around your CRM, the history with the prospect or the customer, information about your ICP, your positioning, all the things that Momentum can learn about your business. We're built on top of some of the best large language models. And then we push that into systems of record and people. So how does this look in action? So our customers use Momentum to track things like discovery answers on a BDR call, or for A's to flag risk or auto update medic. For CSMs and customer success teams, we see a lot of success with detecting churn signals early or logging product issues automatically. For RevOps, of course, it's about extracting the data at scale to build really effective dashboards and trigger workflows. With enablement, it is methodology adoption tracking or identifying coaching moments. For executives, it might be a real-time insight into key objections, competitors, pricing. For marketing, pitch and message resonance is huge. And then in product, of course, there's real-time feature feedback. So Momentum works in two ways. We either plug into your existing tools. So if you have a call recorder tool like Gong or Chorus, we plug in, or you can go all in with Momentum and use our built-in note taker in our CI platform to where we will capture your calls from Zoom or Google Meet, and then we will do them the AI magic on top. What this turns into is a revenue execution engine where you can use our agents to power workflows and automations, whether that's deal execution or AI coaching or customer retention. We do a lot of automation and orchestration around Salesforce automations or Slack-based automations. If you have a large team and a data team that you're building your own agents on top of, Momentum becomes a structured data provider where we are the way for you to get your clean, structured data from conversation into the systems you care about to train your own agents. There's also the professional services side of Momentum where we help make sense of what this data is telling you. We can run things like closed loss analysis, closed won analysis, competitive intelligence, and really dive deep across your pipeline, your accounts, even your customer, even your fee to understand what is happening on these calls and what is the market saying. Finally, real world results from leading teams. We work with tons of amazing companies like Ramp, 1Password, and Yipit Data. And I think the results speak for themselves. This is really a way to bring AI transformation to your revenue teams. We like to think of it as practical AI and here to just make things more efficient and easy for you to get work done. Thanks.